Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to transfer your ETH from crypto.com to a DeFi wallet is a must. It's a straightforward process that gives you more control over your assets, but we'll go through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have a DeFi wallet set up. Options like MetaMask or Trust Wallet are popular in 2025 for their user-friendly interfaces. Download and install one if you haven't already, then create or log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the ETH section and copy your wallet address. It's that unique string of characters you'll need next. Double-check it to avoid any slip-ups. Now, switch over to your crypto.com app or website. Log in securely and head to your dashboard. Find your ETH balance and look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually prominent. When you select it, choose ETH as the currency and paste in the wallet address you copied from your DeFi wallet. Take a moment to verify everything. Accuracy is key to prevent lost funds. Next, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any transaction fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to blockchain updates. Aim to transfer enough to cover them. Review the details one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen, so make sure it all looks good before proceeding. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, open your DeFi wallet and check if the ETH has arrived. If it has, congratulations, you've successfully moved your assets. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and consider hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.